In today's video, we talk about watermelon's benefits. Watermelon contains 92% water, which makes it excellent for hydration, especially during hot weather. It has low calorie content, only 46 calories per cup, making it a guilt-free snack and best for weight loss diet. This fruit is rich in vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and magnesium. Lycopene, the main antioxidant in watermelon, contributes to its vibrant red color and has potential health benefits. Watermelon is also a source of L-citrulline, an amino acid that converts to L-arginine in the body, potentially improving blood flow and exercise performance. It helps maintain fluid balance and combat heat stroke. Vitamin C and other antioxidants may strengthen the immune system. Vitamin C, along with vitamin A, contribute to collagen production, supporting skin health and elasticity. Antioxidants may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Sometimes watermelon might cause digestive discomfort, bloating, or gas in some individuals. Remember, the downsides of watermelon mainly manifest through excessive consumption. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.